welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So in today's video I'm gonna do the no mirror makeup challenge. So this is gonna be fun because I have never done something like this before. So basically in this challenge you do a full face of glam, literally lashes, contour, everything glam, but you don't use a mirror. And I hope I can do this. I'm so nervous. So I have a viewfinder over here where I can see myself. It's right over here. I'm just gonna close it so I can't see anything. I will not use any mirror. There's no mirror around me. Literally, I'm not cheating. Let me actually show you guys. This is my table and this is all I have. There is no mirror. So I'm gonna close this viewfinder where I can see myself, and I'm just gonna look right into the lens of the camera and do my makeup. This is gonna be so fun. Let's see how it goes. So I'm closing this. Wow, now this is so interesting because I don't even know if I'm gonna be in focus because I can't see myself. So fingers crossed, I hope this goes well. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I am gonna use is this moisturizer right here by MarcJacobs. This is the Youthquake. I really like it. It is a very good moisturizer. I don't even know if I should explain what I'm doing to you guys because I don't know, because I'm doing a challenge, right? We'll see how this goes because I'm just gonna go with the flow. Next thing that I'm gonna do is take a primer. This is the Smashbox crystallized primer and prime my face. I always do a lot of skin prep. You already know skin prep is my absolute favorite thing to do so that the makeup looks good. What do I do next? It's so funny because I can't see myself. I'm forgetting the steps. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. So for eyebrows I am gonna use the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. Benefit makes the best eyebrow products, hands down the best eyebrow products. This is gonna be so fun because I can't go wrong with my eyebrows, but here I am. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. I don't even know what to do. Like, wow,
you can really dance.
I think I should zoom in or something because I know. Guys, I'm scared. I'm actually scared of this. Okay, blending is the key to everything. So I'm just gonna make sure I literally blend as much as I can. I'm gonna go in with my amazing 24-hour brow setter gel that is also by Benefit. It's not opening. So this gel is amazing. Sets your eyebrows for the whole day. I think the eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. So I chose this palette right here by Fenty Beauty. This is palette number 4. I will start with this shade. Next I will take this brown shade. Take it. Tap off the excess. At this point I have no idea what I'm doing. Literally no idea. I think I will take this shade right here. This is what it looks like. Next thing I'm gonna do is apply false lashes. I find it so hard to apply false lashes generally with the mirror. How am I gonna do it without a mirror? This is gonna be so fun. Wow, this is stressful. Here we have the false lash, and this is my eyelash glue, and I'm gonna apply this. And this is the worst way of applying a false eyelash, but since I don't have a mirror, I have no other choice. I have a feeling I'm doing an amazing job, so yay. This is what I'm gonna use to dry the eyelash glue. What am I doing? How is it? I don't know. We'll find out. Now we do the face. I'm now gonna take my damp beauty blender. I'm gonna use the Boing concealer by Benefit. Really like this concealer, guys. I think I'm gonna reapply the mascara because I can totally feel the concealer going into my lashes. So now I'm gonna use my favorite loose powder to bake. So here I have the powder. I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Take an angled brush. Like I never drag, I always do the stippling motion like this. But today I'm just like dragging everything. Now I'm gonna use blush, and for blush I will take my iconic NARS blush. I love this blush so much. I will take a little bit. For highlight I will take the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. Now this is what's gonna save me. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and dip it into my loose powder. Now it's the final step, which is a lipstick. So I think I should go for a nude lip, and I love a nude lip. So I will take my favorite lip liner. This is by MAC. Let's see how this goes. This is so tricky, by the way. I really love this one. This is Dandy Apple by MAC. Now is the moment of truth. I am finally gonna see myself and see what my makeup looks like. So here goes nothing. What? Huh? I'm impressed. I mean, this is not bad. How are my eyes? I'm really concerned about the eyebrows. They are a huge mess. Wow. I have applied the lashes pretty nicely. Oh. I am so impressed. My eyebrows look so bad, but the rest of the makeup, wow. So you guys, this right here is the look that I created in the no mirror makeup challenge. I think I did a pretty good job considering the fact that I couldn't see myself while doing the makeup. So this whole makeup was done without a single mirror, which was quite challenging. I really couldn't see myself while applying the lashes, and you guys know the struggle of applying false lashes. I did miss a few spots and my eyebrows look like a crazy mess, but I think that's okay because I couldn't see myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do more of such challenges, post more vlogs, do more videos. Please support me. I love you all so much, and stay tuned for my next videos. Until next time, goodbye.